According to the sewer at 2818 Northwest 74th. The date is December 9th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out installed in the back of the home. This recording may go into one or two recordings, but we're looking at the Seattle City main. This is still original, left untouched. You see we've got some offsetting there. I can't quite get into the main, but it's in that next joint. They come back from here. 6-inch diameter concrete piping is shared with the neighboring home. This is all left original as part of this project. And you can see that it's intact and that it's functioning. We come out of the neighboring shared section and almost immediately into our new flow pipeliner. So we're coming into the new flow pipeliner now. And this is running along the east side of the house. You should come for a little ways and then you're going to see a gap allowed for one of the downspout connections. Actually, we should see our PVC pipe first. There's our PVC. On the right side, you see there's a connection point for a downspout. There's a clean out there and a connection for the driveway drain. Now we're coming along that west side of the house. And here is the gap. So we allowed a gap for the downspout connection on that west side of the house, and you can see it there. It is still functioning as of this video. We come around the corner. That's at the back corner of the house. The 90-degree turn there, and we're back into 4-inch diameter liner again. And back into our PVC here as part of the two-way clean out on the back side of the house. We'll come up that clean out. And here is our two-way clean outs just outside the back of the house. I'm going to end the video there.